No?
So I can film the...
No, especially you taking no life jacket. And there they go. Maybe I have to come and give a push. Oh.
Dito po siya.
Rock behind you there, though. Good luck. You got your seatbelt on? Turn your paddle, there you go. And off they go. Return of the kayaking pair. My wife and her brother. So our property is just beyond this ridge here. It's very close. I'm standing in the very end of the corner of the Flying Fish Resort, but you can see through the water is so clear. The white is sand and the other stuff is a little bit rocky. We are mostly sand in front of our place. And then it's very beautiful. You can see across the distance is Isabel, is a different island, is Leyte. It's a pretty large island. And if you look far across on the other side, you can actually see Cebu is about 20 miles away. And then actually the one you see here is San Francisco Island. Actually Cebu is on the other. If you look between the two islands, you can see the landscape hill on the top. That is Cebu. So I'm here at the Flying Fish Resort. We'll do a small review. It's a little bit biased because we have property next door. But if you're looking for a quiet, secluded area in a very beautiful setting, this is the place for you. If you're looking for a lot of stimulation and nightlife, it's not the place for you. It is a little bit difficult to get here. You can have scooters. They have many transportations, but it is quite a good travel from the port. It's 45 minutes to an hour. And you either need to secure transportation or rent a vehicle. So here's the prices. Make a screenshot of that. And if you order through Agoda or some of the other places, is free breakfast. Comes with your meal. They also have another menu, breakfast menu. So it is pretty reasonably priced, especially if you're considering American prices. And they also have dinner and lunch. bedroom there. This is our balcony. Pretty nice. Absolutely gorgeous view. Our swimming gear. His second bath there. So it's 2 bedrooms, one there, one there, either side of the stairs. Is the master suite. We about packed up, ready to go. We take the ferry back from Consuelo back to now, and then drive back to Cebu City. So have nice king-size bed, air con, lots of storage. It's very nice. And then we also have a ensuite. Is very nice shower, sink, mirrors, toilet, hot water. It's very nice.
Start of mohon in the property. Yeah, may dagan.
what is the fried rice? Got fried rice? Fried rice? Yeah. Sure. Hello, Philippines! So, here's our condo here. I'll show you. This is a small kitchen. And this is the laundry, the toilet, and the bathroom there, shower. You have bathtub, table in living room, and there's bed. I like the blind curtain. Just close it. And this is the little outside. And this is the view of our condo.